First thing we need to do is cut this chicken for saute. Let's first of all cut around this legs. Cut these legs off. And you'll notice this chicken is a lot older than we would normally use for a normal roast chicken. And this lends itself to a coq au vin, which is a braise, a slow chicken braise. So lots of cooking got to go on. Just going to cut that into 13 pieces as we normally do for saute. So legs off first of all. Cut that round. Leave the oyster on. That's really important. Take the legs off like that. So again, just nick that, pull it back, turn the thigh inside out, cut round and leave that oyster right there. Leave that on. You'll see why in a second. That comes off. The wings can come off. You're just cutting straight through the cartilage. I'm not really cutting at all. I'm just going straight through the cartilage with that. Let's take the carcass out. Bend it backwards straight through. That's kind of stock fodder over here. Now, let's take out the wishbone in the back there. Again, the other side. Wishbone and all of that come out. Again, that's for stock. Right, now it's the breast that come off. We're going straight through the carcass all the way down the back. And then I need to basically deploy a bigger knife to do this so that we can cut through, because we're leaving the chicken on the bone at the same time so that everything cooks evenly, and that's the whole point of cutting a chicken for saute. So straight through like that. There's the breast, first one. Second one, straight down the bone there. And of course this then yields amazing bones for stock that you can use to make the stock. So the key is to get this bit done, get your chicken marinated, make your stock with all this, and then that's the stock you're going to use when it comes to making the actual braise. That's all stock there. Cut that through, trim that off nicely, like so. Let's trim that up a little bit. There we go. Right, back to that sharp knife. I'm going to cut that into 3. So straight through like that. There's one piece. There. Let's cut that through there. Just use the heel of the knife. Cut through. There's 3. These actually, I'm just going to cut the ends off like that. And that way the bones will then slip out at the other end nicely. So just cut that off both sides. When it comes to the legs, we're just going to cut straight through that lovely white line you see there. Very simple, straight through. And then I just take off the end there like that. And again, that way the bone will push through once the braise is all done. Again, with the drum, I also take that bottom joint off. Again, that allows the bone to slip through. And we're piling up a lot of lovely trimmings we can use for our stock. So again, straight through that light, white line that's there, that's the natural cartilage break. You can pop through there. And there's the thigh. Drum again. And that last breast here, we just go straight through there like that. And then there's one more piece here which has got the oysters on it as well. And this is the 13th piece of that chicken for saute that's got the chicken oysters attached to it as well. So that goes in there. So there should be 13 pieces there ready for saute. And this makes the most delicious stock. So that's our chicken there, the 13 pieces of the chicken cut for saute. All of this stuff here is going to produce us a really lovely stock, which we can then use the following day.